I'm so
So I'm here at the fireplace. As you can see, you're going to be roasting barbecues here. You're hosting barbecues here. Seats. Yeah. Come on, I show you around. Come on, I show you around. Look at this place here. Nice place. They're bringing the farm here. Come. Nice place. Come on. Come here, let me show you.
Be a man.
So, I'm going to be answering just some quick questions. I'm going to be answering some quick questions that you guys have been asking. So, first question is, how long have you been trading for? 16 months. What's your first account? First real account was $20. How long did it last? 3 days. How many accounts have I blown? I think over like 15. I've blown like 15 accounts. 15 accounts, yeah. When was your breakthrough? That was I think 5 months ago. 5 months ago. We're in December, right? 5 months ago. December, November. What's the next month?
December. December.
Keep right. October, September, August. Yeah, it was in August 2021. That's when I think I got my breakthrough. But I've been trading consistently, right? But that's when I started seeing consistent profits. Yeah. So, how old are you? Almost 21. Almost 21. Yeah.
Yo, brother, your car is awesome. What do you do for a living?
Forex god.
Forex God.
Yeah.
And you made it big.
Oh yeah.
How old are you?
17.
And this is your car?
Yeah.
You're not lying?
No.
Really?
It's mine.
Legend. Oh my gosh. Nice to meet you, bro.
What other questions are there? I'm just getting this out of my head, right? Off the top. Nothing's edited. This is the real me. Yeah. I haven't scripted anything yet. Yeah, as I get more questions, I'll keep on telling you guys, but that's it for me as per now. See you guys. Take off.